How we doing, guys? Good morning. Welcome to the Dogecoin overview. This is Travis Martin with Trade Confident. All right, guys, got some fun, exciting things to share with you guys. I'm excited to do this video on Friday. First of all, that is not what I'm trying to show you guys. I want to show you this over here. If you guys have not seen this, we're live trading on every single one of these videos. I don't do live trading on the videos. I record it and then push things out, but we use buy limits for everything, so you guys have plenty of time to enter into all of our trades. We are currently 75 for 75 on this channel. If you guys have never seen us, we've actually never lost a trade here. The last one we ended up taking was actually on Solana, and I've been keeping this trade up here. I know there's new buy limits, but you guys end up taking a profit of 20.11% on 50% of your first buy entry. You guys are like, what does buy entry 1, 2, 3, 4 mean? I'll explain all that at the end of this video. If you guys want to trade with us, we've never lost a trade on this channel. Anyone who's ever joined us at any time, if they've just followed the signals that I've been giving out, you guys haven't lost a trade. Our average trade is between 10 to 20% profit. Okay, we did a 32%. We've done over 20% before. I actually did an 81% profit on ADA in the very beginning of this channel, but we're doing really well over here. I'll show you guys how to get in here on the second half of this video, as well as I'll give you guys the Black Friday sale that I'm starting today. I know a lot of you guys want to know about that. Let me give you what you came for, the analysis, and then I'll go over the Black Friday sale. Here's what I want to talk about, guys. This is kind of exciting. Do you guys remember last time I did this video where I showed you guys the pressure gauge that we coded? This is probably one of the most undervalued indicators. I have not shown this to you guys a lot on the charts here because I wanted to just kind of wean or wane. I don't know which one is right there. I always get those mixed up. But I wanted to get you guys understanding how to use risk management first and then getting into this, because this is what I kind of call the jackpot indicator. Now, please promise me when you guys use this, you will use it responsibly. Yes, you can get into some incredible profits very, very fast, and this is not going to replace the buy limits. Okay, guys? I personally do not use this because it's more risky, but I'm going to teach you guys how to use this because I see a lot of people emailing me about this, and I want you guys to use it correctly. Yes, you can get into some crazy fast wins really, really fast with a lot of profit. Let me show you how to do this, because I want to, if I'm going to show it to you, I want to teach it to you properly. All right. Here's what this indicator does. This is part of the bundle pack you guys can get. It's for the Black Friday sale. Great. I'll show that to you in a second. The pressure gauge, and I'm going to pull the analysis in today. This is the RSI. Okay, we have done a ridiculous amount of TLC and renovation on the RSI that we have put in the code here. All right, you guys need to watch the video of this. Let me make reference to this real quick. If you guys go to the indicators tab, well, there you guys go, the Black Friday sale. I'll go over that in a second. It's called the pressure gauge right here. When you click this, watch the video and it'll show you guys how to set up alerts and everything. I want to show you because it plays into today's analysis. When we see a lot of pressure building, there's what's called small pressure, great pressure, and exploding pressure. Small pressure is the transparent. This is the medium transparent, which is great, and exploding pressure being the solid yellow background. You cannot miss it on your chart. It's very obvious. Okay, when this happens, it's when the price can start moving down very fast. It is where, if you guys are on the right side of the market, you can make money very quickly. Now, this did end up going down very fast from over here, and you guys were able to, with us trading this strategy, we're still holding a trade in here, so that's totally fine. I'm not worried about this whatsoever. But when this came out, this is a pretty fast crash down here, about 6 to 7% down in the market. Now, I say this to say this. If you guys come back over here, you guys can see when this gets, here's what I suggest you guys trade. If you set up alerts for this, it's really simple. I suggest setting the alerts up for the exploding pressure and the great, and here, let me just show you guys this over here. You come over here, you set this over here, and then you go to the gauge and exploding pressure. You have great pressure and exploding pressure. Small pressure, not that great. Great pressure and exploding pressure is what I want you guys to be watching that here. Here's the question you guys are going to get. This indicator doesn't tell you which way the market's going to go. So here's what you can do. Literally right here was an incredibly fast move up in the market, and it was nothing small, okay? It was right on this candle, and you saw a very, very fast move up of 15%. Now the question is, Travis, what side of the market do I take? And this is historically what I found to be true about 70% of the time. Now, it's not 100%, so mark those words, guys. But here's what I've seen. If you guys are looking at where price structure is heading before we get into the actual signal, that is usually where momentum's going to keep falling. This showed us that the majority of candles were pushing in a downward pattern, and that's where it broke to the downside with very fast profits. This was showing us that price structure was moving up here. This was very fast profits up into the top. Now you guys can actually set alerts in here to get an alert when it crosses this line, and these are actually take profit alerts. It is literally a whole strategy by itself. I know I'm going over a little bit more today. I'll go over the regular strategy, but I want to coach you guys on this because I know a lot of people are using this now. Take a look at this over here. This is another signal right here that went off. So we're going to look at this right here. This is when it went off. What are we looking at? We're looking at where the accumulation of candles have been coming from. Has it been going down, guys? Or has it majority been going up? It's been going up. So getting in here, holding for this pump up here, that's what we're looking for that move up there, okay? Overall, it headed in an upward direction. Let me come back here and show you another one. Let's take a look at this. This one right down here is what we're looking at. Right here. Have the candles majority been heading down here or heading up? It has actually been making lower highs more consistent. This is actually more of, you can call this, it's not a double bottom, but majority of the momentum is heading down. From here, if you guys got in this is ridiculous amount of profits you guys can make on the downside. So crazy, crazy wins. I call them jackpot trades. Okay, this over here, let's go to another one. What happened over here on the charts? We are seeing that this went off over here before it crashed. Literally on this candle right here, let me do this again, keep it transparent. Right there is when it stopped. It doesn't matter if you got in over here. You still got into this area and then really fast moves back down. Where is the majority of the momentum heading? It is heading in a downward direction here, pushing that momentum, and we broke to the downside. These are not small moves at all. I jokingly call this the jackpot winner because you can do very, very fast profits with this single indicator over here. First of its kind coded on TradingView. I've coded indicators for TradingView.com customers for 2 years ago. That's how I made my living. This indicator is insane. It is insane, and it shows an incredible amount of momentum. So I wanted to coach you guys on that. You guys can get that. It's in the bundle pack, which is actually on sale right now for Black Friday. You know what? Whatever. I'm going to do it right now. Give me some grace here, guys. Let me go over this, and I'll share it with you guys. The bundle pack is what's on sale. The Black Friday sale starts today. Woohoo! Okay, this is the bundle pack. I will never have this bundle pack this cheap again. It's never going to go below this price again. I want to be very clear about that. You only have this month to get the bundle pack. It includes all of our indicators I use on the normal charting analysis as well as the one I just shared with you guys. This is going to go up, mark my words, guys, like this will go up $50 at the end of the month. So you guys can just immediately save yourself $50. Basically, the membership you guys get for $49 basically can be replaced here. So you guys can get the membership for what you use and the bundle pack for normally what you used to get the bundle pack for. Get in here. The membership is sold separately from this, but this will go up at the end of the month. It will not be this low. It will never go lower than this price again, I promise. Okay, let's go over here now to the trade setup. We got in here on October 29th, and we're currently sitting down at the moment, but we still have, guys, 3 other buy limits to hit on this. This is going to be a very hard trade to lose because we have such good risk management. Now let's go over to the actual analysis for Dogecoin as far as looking at the on-chain metrics here. On-chain and blockchain metrics. This is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Very important you watch the rest of this video, and I'll show you guys how to get into the rest of our trades so you don't miss any other wins. Give me like 2 minutes here. All right. We are sitting in this neutral section. Why? Because Dogecoin is just simply going sideways right here. That is very obvious. Okay, moving down here, this is what we need to be talking about. This is an incredible amount of short pressure heading into the market for Dogecoin. Long trades went up. Yes, long trades did great. You know, people were acquiring this because it's at a lower price. I do think we could still see a pump in Dogecoin. It is not over. Dogecoin is not over, okay? That's what I truly believe. But we're taking a look at this, and there is an incredible amount of pressure here to the downside. Did people actually know that this indicator was going to come out and people trading this to the downside? That was a very nice amount of money they could have made in here. Now, those of you guys on your shorting exchanges, you guys are going to be shorting, and you're probably going to have to do about between, you can do 5 to 10x leverage. A 5x leverage, that's about 30%. 10x, that's 60% you guys could have possibly made on that move back down there if you guys are watching this. Now, I highly recommend you guys follow our buy limit strategy. That is how we're winning all of our trades. I just want to express to you guys how this works so you use it correctly. It is a crazy tool and has a lot of power. You must use it correctly, okay? What we're seeing for Dogecoin here is a tug-of-war right now. Are we going to go up or are we going to go down? Still, an incredible amount of pressure is being built right now. I don't care if we go down. I will be excited because we're going to hit our buy limit here, and our break-even entry is not going to stay up here. It's actually going to move to the middle here, and we'll make back money faster, and we'll make even more profit because more money will be in the trade if we break down. Now, if we go up, we're just going to win this trade, guys, and we're going to make money. This is why this strategy is being adopted by so many people. It's so hard to lose. Okay, over here, long for short trade risk. We are sitting in the good long trade. Yes, this is what I want to see, guys, for moves up in the market when we're in long trades. That's very good. Take a look at this over here. If you you don't think there's indecision going on, look at the wells and institutions over here. They're like tiptoeing around there. They're like, I don't know what we're going to do here, guys. We're kind of looking long. We're kind of looking short. This is when you guys get decisions made, and this is when the market crashes, and this is when the market pumps up. You see short trades into the market, this thing's going down. You see short trades into the market, this thing is going down. You see short trades into the market, this is going down. Okay. Vice versa. Long trades entering into the market here, this is where the price moves up. Long trades into the market, this is where it moves up. Right now, however, there's indecision in the market, and what we're seeing is these little bars in here of not strong decision making. This is where you want to get into buy limits and get your trades set up, because this could skyrocket up or it could move down fast. If it goes down fast, guys, we're just going to hit more buy limits with more money in the market, and then we'll make more money as it goes back up. This truly is a win-win strategy, and that's why a lot of people are adopting it right now. Okay, well, I'm never going to trade in anything but dollar cost averaging for the rest of my life, and I'm proving it to you guys on this channel. And I put my money where my mouth is, guys. Like, I'm literally in here trading with my own money. So we're at 21,309. I'm in ADA right now, looking to get picked up on Ethereum for this channel. That's my next trade I'm looking to set up. So basically, it went from 309 to 62. We're just fluctuating back and forth right here. So about $50 extra we made today, but it is going back and forth simply because the market is just kind of just sticking where it's at. Okay, go back over to Dogecoin here. Looking at this dollar cost average entries, we are simply waiting for another one to come out. And if you have $1,000 and you want to throw $100 into the market for the long runs, great, guys, do that. 10 to 15 years, you can hold that. This is showing us that, watching for these drops back down in the market, we haven't got this yet because we're just simply consolidating here, so we're just going to be patient for this. All right, let's move into the good stuff. Here's how you guys get into our trades and you don't miss another trade setup so you can take wins with us. It's $49 a month, like I already showed you guys, gives you access to all the metrics, and this is the most important thing. I'm going to go slow. Click live trades. Once you guys have your membership, come down here and click live trades. Dogecoin, here it is right here. I recommend, these are my top picks, guys. I haven't changed them, and if I see something else, I'll change it. Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, and VeChain. Those are like my top picks. I know there's a lot of talk right now about Solana. We just ended up taking a win on Solana up here of over 20% profit for everyone on this channel, 20.11. I am looking for a move back down on Solana. I am looking for also the move back down on DOT, which we're already seeing from the channel yesterday when I'm calling this drop in here. So we are seeing that move back down. Dogecoin, I still believe, is a great place to get into the market. Personal opinion, okay? Here's what you guys are going to do. You're going to click Dogecoin chart. It's going to look like this. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update to say 11/5/2021. That is going to officially give you guys a timestamp to say all the buy limits have been updated for that day, for today. It's not 8 a.m., so that's why it says 11/4 right now, okay? What you guys are going to do is simply just put 4 buy limits into your exchange at these prices over here. 25% each. If you have $1,000, it's going to be 250, 250, 250, 250. Great. Once you guys do that, you guys are then you're going to wait for your first buy limit to get hit. Again, be patient for your first buy limit to get hit, and then set your sell limit up here. Once you do that, come down here. Here's the video if you guys want to watch how to trade the strategy. That's literally what I just explained, though. Telegram is what you guys need to get into. Log in on your phone or your computer, log into the website at tradeconfident.io, and then click Telegram. That will then give you guys access over into the Telegram channel where I am calling the exits over here on these trades. Exactly how we ended up winning the Solana trade over here was with this. Let me show this to you guys. We were up here and we moved the stop loss in the market here, and that's where you guys end up coming back down and winning the exact same amount here that I'm showing us. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, guys. 20.11%. This is exactly where we moved the stop loss on November 4th of 50%. It correlates exactly to what I show on YouTube, and everything is transparent, guys. That is how we got into this trade, and all the date stamps are over here for transparency. Nothing is hidden, okay? Next, you guys need to come over and get the bundle pack. I used to say, guys, get these indicators here, but really the best thing to do, guys, the Black Friday sale is officially active, and it's only for this month. That's it. At the end of this month, excuse me. Sorry, guys, I'm talking too quick. I need to drink some more water. At the end of the month, this bundle pack is going up $50. I will never have it cheaper than this again. Okay, literally, maybe the next time I do a sale like this will be next Black Friday of next year. So you guys are like you're gonna have to wait a year. This is what I recommend you guys doing: getting the bundle pack in here, or at minimum, getting the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These are about 60% off right now. Okay, the reason why I say to get this, because the prices of all these three, it's better to just get the bundle pack because you're only paying a few more dollars with the $50 off right now. That it's better to just get this. You guys will have appreciating value in this immediately at the end of the month, because this is going to go up $50 at the end of the month. On top of that, going into the following months, I am going to be looking to up these prices as well. So it is a crazy amount of increase of profit. You guys are actually going to get appreciation if you guys just get the bundle pack right now. Again, it will not be lower than this ever again. ever again. So make sure you guys do snag the bundle pack. This is your time to shine, okay? That's what you want to get. Also, since it's $50 off, it gives you guys the perfect amount of money to actually get into the membership and start taking trades with us. So ending this year is going to be fantastic. Get into the buy limits, guys. Get your trades set up and follow me over here. God bless you guys so much. I hope you have a very wonderful weekend. Rest with your family. Take time to play with your family. Rest and do not look at the charts all weekend. If something crazy happens, I'll update you guys in Telegram, but make sure you guys are resting over the weekend, okay? All the indicators I showed you guys are available in the bundle pack. It's going up in price. Black Friday sales are here, so snag that. Make sure you guys are also getting the membership over here at tradeconfident.io. I eventually will be looking to raise the price of this, so right now it's $49. I'll grandfather everybody in. Make sure your buy limits are set up. I know I haven't come out here and done a lot of wins lately. It's because we're going to get a flood of buy limits hit all at the same time, and literally there's going to be like 10 trades we enter into all at once, and then we're going to take exits. Now is the best time to get in. I'm not trying to be a salesman or anything like that. Because we have not because I've not reported a lot of wins lately, and we've been at 75 wins for a while, that means that there's a lot of buy limits ready to be hit now. Once those buy limits hit with a drop in the market, we are then going to be turning back around and selling those positions, and you guys are going to probably see this skyrocket up to 80 for 80 wins very fast, most likely before the end of November. Again, guys, anybody who's ever signed up for this, they haven't lost a trade yet. If you have any questions, email me at betradeconfident@gmail.com. I do take the weekends off. But guys, let's end this video right here. Get the indicators, get the membership, get into these trades. Let's make some money, guys. Enjoy the Black Friday sale, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Remember to get into the Telegram channel. Bye, guys.